Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my PR package, my first PR package from Hush. And I gotta tell you, it's so exciting to receive packages from these big companies. It's just, I didn't think I would come this far. Right here, what we have first is this Vice eyeshadow palette by Face Candy. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that. I'm just gonna swatch one of each because this video is gonna take forever. I'm gonna swatch this one, the middle one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Sorry, I'm terrible at swatching. Such a beautiful palette. Next we have Aura by Bad Habit. I feel like this is my favorite palette. I'm gonna swatch that gold one right here. Wait, right there. There's a little bit of fallout, but it's so pretty. But these colors are gorgeous. Just look at them. Zaya. How do I close this window? Sorry about the noisy background. I don't know how to close the window. So here's the Royals palette by Bad Habit. They're truly, oh my god, gorgeous. Let me swatch Majestic. Let's see how much pigment I can get out of that. Oh, interesting. I love it. Okay, so I showed this on my Instagram. It's truly beautiful. It's Artistry by Bad Habit. Look at the shades. Let me try Sophia. It's this rose shimmery shade. Zam. What? That is beautiful. Sorry about the swatches. I'll get better. I promise. So this next palette is called Inferno. I think that's how you call it. It's by Bad Habit, and these shades. Damn, look at those shades. I'm gonna do lit, cause I'm lit AF. This is beautiful. I feel like as I'm going through the shades, I'm slightly getting better at the swatches. This next one is called Retro Love by Bad Habit. It's beautiful. I'm gonna do Icon, cause I'm an icon. It reminds me of a galaxy. Just kidding. It's cute though. I don't know if it's gonna... Oh, you'll see it. It's cute. This next one is called Lightspeed. It's by Bad Habit, and I don't know about you, but I really love the green right there. But I'm gonna swatch the black one and see if it's really pigmented. It's darker than my butthole. Damn, that's really... Next is this highlight palette. It's called Unicorn Glow. I was gonna say blow. It's by Face Candy. To be honest, I feel like my favorite would have to be Dream or Enchanted. Because, I mean, to be honest, I like goldy colors. This one's kind of like this. Yeah. But these two are my favorite. So I'm gonna be swatching these two. Here's Dream. And here's Enchanted. Let me just pull them out. Hey! Let me mix them together. See if it... Rawr. So this next palette is called Aphrodite by Bad Habit. It's one of my personal favorites. They're so gorgeous. I kind of feel like I should do Flirt. Ooh. It's a pretty pink. That is such a pretty pink. Not prettier than moi. Just kidding. So unfortunately, there's another one of these, but it's called, what is it called? Oh, it's called Athena. It comes in this pretty pink packaging, and the colors are so pretty. The shades are so pretty. It's up on my Instagram if you guys want to check it out. My Instagram is going to be down below. Brandy Rose X, not... Just kidding. You understand what I'm talking about when you see it. But that's it for you guys. Here are all the palettes. I should do a thumbnail right now. Well, that is it for you guys. It is completely empty now. I am so excited to be a Hush ambassador. No applause? Okay. I'm so excited to be a loser. Okay, you guys clap for that, but my favorite palette would have to be Aura. It has all these crazy colors, and you know, me, I love colors that pop. Hello. I love colors that pop. Hello. Can you focus on me? Focus on me. These look absolutely stunning. I even shared it on my Instagram page. Ugh. It's so pretty. To be honest, I really love how it looks. Like, messy. Not messy, but like, in a organized way. Here are all the palettes, excluding one, which is Athena by Bad Habit. I accidentally left it at the house. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my horrible swatches. I promise I will get better at this. But I'm so awkward. Oh my god. If you made it this far, give this video a thumbs up. That would mean so much. Comment down below what your favorite palette was. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'm gonna be doing them quite often. What the fuck? How do I end this video? Okay, so I'm just gonna end it here. Okay, love you guys.